Alright guys, welcome back to another McLaren video. In this video we are gonna focus on paint job. We will paint the car 100%, everything complete, and then when the car is done, actually we will film everything and show you guys all the paint job and everything. After it's done, we are gonna hook our own trailer and go get the car, bring it over here on the shop and go from there. Right, so there is the McLaren. Basically is ready for paint. The car is just collecting dust right now. That's because to get the paint it took like a month, and they're saying that that was actually fast because with yellow it takes forever to match the paint, and this one actually will have to go with white and then yellow and then what is that, the pearl, yellow pearl, and then clear coat. So that's four stage.
Check it out, guys, we're finally here to pick up the McLaren. We got the truck, the trailer ready, and we just have to open those gates somehow.
I'm not sure how many of you guys saw the first video when we bought the McLaren. We had big problems putting that car on the trailer, but actually we did it. This time we'll see. We gotta be more careful because the car is all painted and we don't want to scratch. So for now we're gonna take everything to the shop and then we'll show you guys the color, how it's gonna match. Right, so the car is ready to go. I don't tow cars, so I don't know if that's the right way to tie the car or not, but this is how I did it first time when we got the car, and we came to the shop just fine, didn't lose anything, so should be good now too. Right, so we got to the shop all nice and safe, but I don't have wood planks because this is a big drop and the ramps are not gonna help. We need some wood clamps and I don't have it, which means I'll have to come back another day. For now, what we're gonna do is pull the boat out. That way we can take the McLaren on the trailer, put it inside till tomorrow. Now to pull the boat out, we gotta see which one of these Jeeps are gonna start. Alright, we'll try with the first one. Nope. So the batteries on all of the Jeeps are dead because we didn't touch them since ever. I'm gonna have to back up the McLaren close enough so we can use the jumper cable to start that one. Ooh! Gas a little bit. There you go. There you go. Don't let it die. We got the ball and it's 2 inches. This one takes 2 5/16, but we're not going anywhere far, so we'll be just good enough to pull this thing outside. Damn! Now we know that this thing is alive. Alright. Now show me some burnout. Whoa, 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 easy, easy. Right, so here you have it, the car and the shop on the trailer. We'll be back with some wood. We're gonna park this one a little bit to the side so it's not in our way. So that's the old bumper for the McLaren, and look at the new one that we got, full carbon fiber bumper. It will match this flares or whatever you call it. It's gonna look nice when it's done. And the mirrors are carbon fiber, so that's gonna match pretty good. We're also thinking to get probably the rear diffuser carbon fiber and this plastic over here, but that we'll see. That's the plan for now. Right, so we have wood, we have the wood planks. Now the Gladiator yesterday was a lot higher, which keeps the rear trailer lower to the ground, so we don't have to put that much build up. Now this one is gonna be kind of low, and we'll try to do something crazy. Right, so this thing went down, which means our rear is like way too high. That's what I'm saying, that we gotta pull it out and try to do something. For now, the plan is drive on the ramps. That's gonna keep the car a little higher, and maybe even use a jack to lift this higher. We'll see. But all right, let's go. All right, so this is the idea. I don't know if this is gonna hold. All right, go. Uh-oh. Keep going. Okay, good, perfect. Woo. And good thing it has 4x4. And it went pretty easy. That way, sometimes this one just spins. Okay, look at that. Man, that's high. No, that's good. I like that.
I think it's pretty good.
So this thing wouldn't start. And from what I remember, we had that problem earlier. And because the door panel is disconnected, these cars are sensitive. All right, we connect the door panel. Let's try again. Come on. Be good to us. Uh-oh. All right, turn a little bit that way. Okay, good. Go. Man, scary. All right, keep going like that. Okay, keep going.
And good.
Right guys, so the car is here at the shop, all nice and safe, thanks God. Now that we have the car over here, the real work about to start. It's gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram, it's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.